Okay, let's talk about Talion 6S EXB. These lights will also work with previous versions of the Talion. Okay, we have the classic headlights as we have for the Kraton 8S, Kraton 6S. Of course, the shape is different because they have to adapt to the body. Then we have these bumper mounted lights. We have a version with carbon fiber plate, and we have another version with ABS. We decided to make it with a stronger material so it can resist impacts. Then we have on the rear, we have these lights. Also, they come with carbon fiber plates or ABS plates. It all depends on what you choose. Hardware is included, screws, L brackets, things like that. Then we have the body mounted lights, as you can see. So you can have these lights mounted to the body, then you just unplug it when you remove the body, and you can see we still have these lights mounted to the shock tower and this one mounted to the front bumper. Okay, let me just get a closer look so you can see how it's mounted. Okay, you can see here the lights are mounted to the two holes in the bumper. There and there. And about the tail lights, let me move this thing, it's really heavy. Something similar, we have it there. We have two L brackets here mounted to the shock tower. Here's the screw. Let's see if we can, yeah, there it is, that's the screw. Okay, about the body. The headlights are just like the other ones we have for Kraton. You just have to mount it from the inside. As I always say, you have two options here. You can remove the paint and glue these buckets from the inside, or you can just cut the body. Let me remove this. We haven't secured this because we are always removing it. As you can see, I made a cut there. There. And then we just put this in, like so. And then you glue it from the inside, and that's it. Oh, about the rear ones. The rear ones just come with these two screws, and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. Just put those two screws there, and that's it.